to participate in one of the most iconic senior traditions. Reporter Anna Gabaro tells us more.
Graduation is just a few weeks away, but before seniors cross the stage, they'll want to climb the bell tower. It is one of the most famous senior traditions. There are 128 steps to get to the top, and once you're there, you get a beautiful view off campus. The bell tower opened at 9 this morning, but you have until 4 to get in line. So if you're in line by 4, you will get your chance to climb the bell tower. In Chapel Hill, I'm Anna Gabaro, Carolina Week.